Mirna nabali bechinguru. Erikwe manyabona wata kuchitana nyechense. Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Lynette Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, Eke Nakige Kos, Kiamesa Yamangana Maya. Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.
Mwariri ya Wensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi yongo kwani mambia baona kurandonsi asore no kugenda kwane kwa bokrebye ya kwagenderero bya aseri tukerigali ya Jumatano kurandonsi asore ase mambia ya boro ase ogendere tukubwate mirobiri yonsi Ensoko TV kuro chinsa 12 cheke mambi goikera boniga ase miremo yago aso kwerigali ase obwonchereri andonsi asore ase mambia bono kicyaragere chinsa nye cyabona mambia ne kina kikayenye cya etirego rongo kwargali aso murobiri yiga bweterobini aseri tukeriga erikomolekera na koligereria ali agendere to kwarekana aseri tukeriga kuro chinsemo au korwa ase kenyoro kiago ase wadi tokana semu yebunge chi county na buge wika ase serikali enene gose ense engi mase chi county chonse merongere na isano nebere wika isko yense yetu ya Kenya tusanga so bwamo gwetera senchire yo mutandao wekera Facebook rabo igo ase ensemo area YouTube Ensoko TV ase namba ya mawasiliano na mwaneke tuchiko so ase nkwani yaito emambia bono na mwaneke tukuchiko kwanira igoro yo koigwana gose aliago kwanirwa asoroboti rolia rubwate ebintu ikomi gose amangana ikomi asoroboti romanye kaine buna broad based 10 agenda aina turachikoligeria aseri tukolia rongo kwenyorina mwaka olia oete to mwaka bwe chilifu ibera meronggebere na gatano charingi chitariki sano na ibera somuti enyoga 3 nari oroboti oruo rwabete rukubekwese igo so koigwane gati abara ibabere umurayibwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto amo numugakanya gose Raila Odinga na igo bura tuko kwana aseri tukolia na matuko atatoka korubono elio tuchigwika ustachukoro mwaka oyomo korwa oroboti oruo gose kurwa bara yabaiga bachetamo na kuigwana na turachukwanira sobwa garase mambia bono wetira se namba ya mawasiliano eyuere noti sano na ibere sano na isatu sano na isatu sano na mumara gatano omwere obeka isatu no chugwaka esimiago na monekera tukukwanira ayo ikomi ari ase oroboti oruo ase obwagre ase boro tuchake gusanga sobwa mo gochakira bono gwika chinsa isano na mocha bono mubaso erietariane Ishmael Mogere. Asomo chakane mambia bono ekiama kia ODM gwetera sabara ibechi bunge ibere eria nene eria senate nigo batwarire gikaro kyobomo abu asomura ibe kiame kyo Oboru Oginga airwe chinguru chigo chaka chinkwana chikubwaterana nebyama binde go chakire kiama kia UDA amo nebyama binde biribira chikubwaterana na ODM asibo igo kiame kyo kiararire guchigo tware gikaro kia NDC chitariki ya 25 na ibere chomutenyi oyoiga ogatatu tigango turarire naralia agendrete kurwa asensemeyo yebunge.
We have just finished our parliamentary group meeting of both houses of the National Assembly and the Senate, Parliament, and we had a long deliberation as party members and members of Parliament. Our party leader was present. As you know, he's also the Senator of Siaya. So he had two kofias, two hats. He was chairing the party as the party leader, at the same time the Senator of Siaya. And then we have here the minority leader of the Senate, and the two whips of the two houses, and the party chair, and the deputy party leaders also were present. So after deliberations, these are the resolutions of the parliamentary group meeting. The parliamentary group meeting was resolved that they have endorsed the decision of the National Executive Committee of the party and the Central Committee on the decisions that they have taken in their last 3 sittings. The Executive Director of the party brought them up to speed on the resolutions of those 2 organs of the party, and the parliamentary group endorsed the decisions of the two organs of the party. The PG also agreed that they will strengthen the party, and then they will make it vibrant, and they will maintain every parliamentary seat that they occupy today, either in the National Assembly or in the Senate under ODM, and make it more. We want to increase our numbers in the next general election from what we have today, and we are telling any party that we are associating with, any party in this country that wants to associate with us, our parliamentary numbers are not negotiable. We can negotiate on anything, but not on our parliamentary strength. The parliamentary group meeting also endorsed the decision of the NEC to give mandate to our party leader to start the process of negotiation with the party, with other parties, with like-minded parties, starting with the UDA party, under the way the Central Committee and the NEC Committee, the NEC Committee approved. The parliamentary group also endorsed the decision to have the National Delegates Conference on 27th of March, 27th of this month, and from Friday, the party will communicate and give the 21-day notice that is required in law. The parliamentary group also agreed to receive the report of the 10-point agenda on Tuesday. Tuesday is which date? Which date is that? The report of the 10-point agenda is it on 10th? Tuesday is 10th. On 10th, yes, Tuesday, at a broad-based parliamentary group meeting that will be held at KICC on Tuesday, where members from both sides of Kenya Kwanza and ODM will receive the report. Then from there, the public will be told on what progress the report has made, what has been achieved, what has not been achieved. And the parliamentary group emphasized on two main issues that they expect to happen. That is the compensation bit of the matter of the 10-point agenda, and the devolution issue, that they want monies increased to the devolved units, and they also want the people who are affected through post-election violence from 2017, that money must be put in the supplementary budget that is in Parliament, I think, from tomorrow. So those are two major issues they have emphasized, among other things, that contains the 10-point agenda, which they are going to receive on Tuesday the 10th in a broad-based parliamentary group meeting. So I think I've shared with you people in short what the parliamentary group resolved. And I think we can end it there, and we will continue updating you on progress that ODM is making as a party. As you are aware, ODM is the largest party in the region, south of Sahara and north of Limpopo. And we are going to make sure that this party remains united, and we are going to make sure that this party remains the biggest party in this country that will form government in the coming election, God willing. Thank you very much.
Arenayo mawaziri wa mache Engineer Eric Mugaa nigaikira sensemo ya Kuria East County ya Migori ase aratire mirobirio ya magendero eyue bwatika ine no kwenana gose no kweneki na kiromo Kenya na arina mache. Waziri Mugaa nigo arutotiro bwagachi bwogendrete bwanya mache na boiga asensemo ya Ntimaru water supply bunakwerera emambia yabono.
No.
So there is no T-off?
No.
What is the capacity of the tank?
Because of the tank, we have two tanks, the one that we are constructing. We have a 200 cubic meter ground tank and 151 for the elevated tank is a 6 meter height.
So you have two tank, 100,
yes.
A chini, sindio?
No,
The
200, a 150 which is elevated, and we have an existing tank there, which we are taking advantage of.
The highest point is the tank place, sindio?
Yes.
The highest point is here,
Yes.
correct?
Yeah.
The pumping that you're doing, you are taking OD 200 to the highest point,
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
The capacity of the tank here, what is the capacity of the existing tank?
This tank is 100.
It is 100 meter cubic, correct?
Yes.
You are building, this is the highest point, eh?
Yes,
So it
highest point.
means the tank doesn't have to be elevated for water to gravitate to these other areas, correct? As long as it is on that point, whether on ground or elevated, even when it's on ground, the water can still gravitate to.
For the schools, especially you have a school there, they won't be properly served by a ground tank. So we have
So,
to do this.
very good. So you require 2 tanks, one ground tank and one elevated to serve the vicinity.
Yes.
The elevated, what is the capacity?
150 cubic meters.
152, correct?
150, yes.
150. You have an existing 100, correct? That's 250.
Yes.
What about the third one?
That one is 100, is an existing one.
So combined cumulative is 350.
450. 200 plus 150 plus 100.
450, correct?
Yes.
What you are producing in a day, you are producing, I saw it somewhere,
Production is
1200 from the treatment, correct?
Yes.
It is 1200, correct?
Yes, yeah.
From treatment.
Yes.
Then you have an injection of 160.
Yes.
So this is 1368.
Yes.
Your capacity is 450. Unless you are telling me this one does not count, because you are supposed to have at least a half a day storage to ensure that these people, whenever there is a breakdown at the treatment works,
Yes.
they don't feel that pinch immediately. They feel it later after maybe 12 hours. But the volume, you might consider
Yes.
to look at the volume again.
Okay.
Unless you have around 700
Yes.
storage, then you are safer in case you have a challenge at the treatment or the conveyance system. You will have a challenge. These people will feel the pinch
Yeah.
in case there are repairs here in 3, 4, 5 hours. Design says half a day storage. Maybe you might consider looking at that.
Okay.
But also,
Yes.
depending on the space you have
Yes.
and your speed in operations and maintenance, and these are things we are saying we'll hand over to county government after formation of the rural water service provider. Their speed of repairs can even allow you to have a buffer of 6, 8 hours, so it would still be adequate, but you guys have to be very efficient in your management. My worry is this. Number 9. Why would an agency be doing an OD63 pipe is 2 inch, correct?
Yes.
Because this is outside diameter, HDP, correct?
Yes.
50 millimeter OD is 1 and almost a half inch.
Yes.
This size of pipe.
Yes. It's true.
For 25 kilometers, what will this man do?
We are helping them for now. So I think.
Come on, surely.
See the experience we have.
Agwanda, you will not give me excuses on this. And I said this, I also said it in Kisumu. You will not give me those excuses.
You're right, Waziri. You remember at the governor's office, the governor requested for last mile connectivity. So this project.
Hapana.
Yeah.
Water is a devolved function. We share them. You see, this is not value for money, to be honest. An agency doing a pipe, maybe guys have no idea what it means to have a 1 and
1 inch kabila
for 25. Look at the number. 25 kilometers. Gwanda.
Just for the immediate impact of the project. If you leave it at least
Agwanda.
level,
We don't focus here. We focus here.
that's right.
This pipe, in case a grader passes, what happens? Waziri, what is your responsibility?
Yani wewe utafanya nini?
What will you do?
National government imefanya, wewe utafanya nini?
No. Gentlemen and ladies and Mwesh, I will tell you the truth, this is not value for money.
It's not, huh?
ase haya bwatikene no bachenu ekiombe kia bateresa gia KMPDU nigio giatenenirie mugiro bwemeremo oyoganire guchako botko bugo kiera ankyo asinya gitari ya Coast General Teaching and Referral ase county ya Mombasa. Ekiombe kia KMPDU bakoragwa no muri kyobo Daviji Atela nigo baereire buna magega yege karogie chinsa angenye no braibwe county ya Mombasa inse yo Governor Abdul Swamad Nasir nigo baikire oseba ikero koigwana kwa mangana ao egati yabo enengo na ya Amange.
As you know, our strike with Mombasa County is to commence today at the midnight. So in the morning, we had Kamkunji with doctors to discuss the various issues that we had raised on the strike notice that we issued last week that was lapsing tonight. Number one of the issues was the issue of promotion of doctors. We had asked the county to promote all the doctors that had not been promoted. But in the meeting now, we have agreed with the county that all the doctors that had not been promoted are going to be promoted. We have 105 doctors who are 15 from the common cadre, then 25 to job group, 33 to job group, 39 to job group Q, 25 to job, 33 to job group P, 17 to job group R, and 4 to job group S will be promoted by 1st of April. That is a total of 105 doctors. We've also discussed and agreed that the remaining 20 doctors will get their letters of promotion by 1st of July 2026. So that means that all the doctors that we presented for the county will be promoted on 1st of April and 1st of July. We also discussed the issue of doctors on contract and have had a deliberation with the county and agreed that the county will review this particular contract and these doctors will get their letters of confirmation and or changes to permanent and pensionable terms by 1st of June 2026 after the review. We further discussed the issue of SACCOs that county had not paid for about 5 months, and when we reviewed, we found that the pending time was 2 months, and the county agreed that they will pay the 1 month within the next, by June, then the other 1 month in the next financial year. Those are the deliberations we had, given that one of the matters that we also indicated in our last engagement was the issue of the CEO. So the issue of the CEO we have not discussed much here because it's a matter that we had gone to court over as a union. And by the time that we were going to court, the issues that had been raised over the CEO had also been found that the CEO was not guilty for the same things. And therefore, we did not have much deliberation on that particular matter. Because what we were against was the interdiction. But at the time of our discussion today, the interdiction had been lifted on the doctor. Thank you.
I think these negotiations took quite a bit of time. First of all, I want to thank the union for being able to come over. However, we have agreed in principle on everything. The teams will remain behind, who are the technical teams, but for the purposes of relaying the message, whatever it is that has been agreed has already been agreed on. One, there was an agreement that was done in the year 2021, and that agreement had yet to be finalized. I am glad to state that even before receiving the letter, part of that agreement had already been done and dusted. It is only a few that were remaining. Some have already been given their letters, and some are the ones that are currently being processed. The other issue that had been raised was the issue of contractual employees. I have stated to the union, who I understand they say that they can only be able to speak to on behalf of doctors, but I need to be able to speak on behalf from the sweeper to everyone else. The policy, and when we came in, we made sure that anyone who had a contract of 3 years, 2 3-year contracts, is given PNP. The reason for this is so that people can be able to understand, you know, we can be able to study you, your discipline, attendance, and so forth. However, the Union of Doctors has requested that a possibility of now reviewing those people who have already started their contracts, and we've seen that they're actually doing their work. But as we do that, the county government will do it simultaneously for all other cadres. That means from the doctors to the nurses to the firemen to inspectorate and everyone else. This is something that has no budgetary implications on the county government. The only difference is we can now be able to know, are these people really, really fit to be able to be given permanent and pensionable employment terms. The other matters are matters that have already been passed because investigations had been conducted and we were able to do what needs to be able to be done. And I think that is basically what it is that he also forgot to say that because that was in the letter that the union wrote to us, that appreciating the fact that the county government of Mombasa is an excellent paymaster to the doctors. He forgot to mention that. But tatizo haijakuwa ya kuwa tulipi mishahara wala nini. And then also, even he mentioned about the 5 months. This is something that was very, very prehistoric. Ni deni ya zamani sana. So sisi tupofika, tumepunguza ile deni, imebaki ni ya miezi miwili. So that is what we have told them, because deni ya mwezi mmoja kwa kaunti nzima ni takriban milioni 150 mpaka milioni 160. This was statutory deductions and pesa za SACCOs and loans and everything. So ile ilobaki ni miezi miwili ambao kwamba tunafanya mpango, tutailipa hii June, na baada ya miezi mitatu kutoka June tulipe na hiyo nyingine, tuwe hatuna deni lolote aina yoyote na mfanyikazi yoyote katika serikali ya kaunti.
Asense muyende ababwatani ase komiti ebunge nigo bagaririo botuki bwabo igoro ningomanyene ekigwanda gya sukari kya miwani amona muhoroni ngana gose eganga eyo nigo yabegetwe gose ngana nigo yabegetwe bosi bwe bunge nene no mubunge Osuba South Karoli Omondi. Komiti eyo nigo yatenenerwa no mubunge wensemo ye bunge ya North Mugrango Joash Nyamoko oyo onachanga obotuki bokorwa ase obwagare ase enyincho yoboroli oboya obubwaretirwe ase ebikaro ebyo.
Yes, because it will come. In fact, you have brought a document here. There's a lot of conspiracy. In a way, I really want to understand it from that perspective. That what you have noted is very true. Maybe someone, and that's why the petitioner says there are thieves in the government, and there are some. Did you say thieves in the government and and outside the government?
For us to solve all this problem, we must establish the ownership of Miwani Sugar Company in 1989. And as of now, is that Vanessa has majority shareholding still. It's no longer, it's not essentially legally a government entity as such. Now, is there anywhere that shows Miwani paid the Vanessa paid the 354 million shillings that was in the MOU?
Honorable Chair, that is, that one document, everything, even the amount, even the agreement, all that was surrendered. All that was received by Sugar Board, stamped. You see, you cannot make a process of transferring papers, shares, if you don't have. So I was ready to go when I was given go ahead by the CS. So all that information is there. If you have a look at that document, you see everything. And what we are talking about, they are also tangible. The title deed, which was surrendered back, is there. The original share certificate is there.
My question was a bit different from what you answered. I wanted to find out whether Vanessa paid the 354 million shillings so that they own part of that company share. You remember they said there was an MOU that said Vanessa was to pay 354 million that the government paid to the previous creditors.
Let me clarify. Actually, Honorable Chair, for the shares, the actual shareholding, and our CR12 here, dated 13th July 2023, the Miwani Sugar Company 1989 Limited. Shareholding, the permanent secretary to the Treasury, 1,029,000 shares, which is 49%. Then you have Sharad Rao, those was director, Ketan Somaya, Fred Wango, and then you have Vanessa Associates, 1,071,000.
And again, to digress a little bit, when we were reconstructing the file for Miwani Sugar 1989, one of the reasons we were given by the registrar was that we cannot reconstruct the file because that inventory notice is there. Then how comes that this provision, that certificates was given if that provision notice was there? I continue with the permission, Honorable Chair. The incorporation of Miwani Sugar Company in 1989 had already been charged against the certificate title.
Miwani is part of my jurisdiction as a member of parliament. I want to confirm most of the things that our receiver manager has articulated here, because I and him have been working together. This issue, I and him and a colleague of mine not present, then for Tideret Mary, we've been working together. Part of Miwani is owned by Tideret, and a large part is in Muhoroni. So the locals know very well that they gave this land long time ago for the purpose of running the sugar industry, which the government promised, the colonial government, and later Kenyatta government and Moi government, that would create economic empowerment to the locals and employment and the rest that come with this kind of industrialization. The sugar industry was run very well by the ancients. When they went down, the government came, then they started a ping pong game. Typical of the government bureaucrats, where people are sent to manage a thing and they have instructions and loyalties elsewhere. So they start running down the industry. So we have had problems with the industry that has not been functioning, and then now the land became a target. Finally, in 2007, I was not a member of parliament, but I became actively involved when we got wind that the industry or the land had been purportedly been sold in an auction that never existed, an auction that never took place, and we made life difficult for these people. We must thank the receiver managers of the day. They're not the ones here, Witty and another one, and Bet. They did very well. They went to court, we mobilized our people, and these people went to court. This matter was heavily investigated by EACC, and how I wish that two people from EACC, all EACC could be called here.
When his life is threatened, then he must be protected. Because those who are threatening him, they must be the ones who have been mentioned that they're holding the land illegal. And now we have two titles here, Chair. We have the original one and the provisional one. So we should also try to see the EACC, what was their report about the provisional title and vis-a-vis the original one. And then we call the chief land register, because he's the custodian of all the land registers in this country, to confirm if the original title changed. And if it did not change, then how did this one acquire the provisional? This one shows that there is fraud somewhere. And that's where now we should dig in. How did he manage to get the provisional title? And there's an original title. Thank you, Chair.
Because I saw that it's so many companies, but the ownership seems to be going a certain direction. And then does this mean that the information that we got from the PS is contradicting what the Cabinet Secretary may have said in the floor of the House? Is that what the Honorable is saying?
Chair, I will avail the Speaker, the answer response from this year. And it says, that's exactly what I've said.
I want to say the last one. I've just looked at what we got from the Cabinet Secretary, thanks to our Secretariat, and realized that they concentrated on a certain period of time and ignored what happened earlier. Is there a chance that someone in the ministry is misleading the Cabinet Secretary or the PS? Cabinet Secretaries come and go. And when you are seated in the office, you ask for information. And people may decide to give you selective information. Because when you look at the response from the PS, I believe that someone may have misled.
Yeah, that's why we never proceeded with the session, you remember? We said that we gave it more.
Because what we are getting here is a lot of information that really was never shared.
The PS is coming back on Thursday.
Subsequently, payment of 680 million was made to Delphi's Bank and the other major creditors. So there's no association of the Delphi's Bank and the Oriental. And 330 was paid to maybe English as a problem. The figures are the same, but there is a problem with English.
No. It's Honorable Chair, let me explain that. When you talk of...
I think receiver manager.
Yes.
Just draw a line between the Korean
Is what I'm trying to draw. The Chair, Honorable Chair, that's what I'm trying to draw. Because when you talk of benefits, we are talking of benefits and other major creditors. Whereas if you go to the bracket which I've explained, the other major creditor is this one now known as Messrs. Sujit.
Asense muyende murai wese Dr. William Samuel Ruto rigo arase birundo byokwenekia magendera sechisemo aime yense bunenchereyemo yokorokia abananchi ubugeno bwaye asechire chiria aliete busyo bwobochori obonene bw'umwaka bw'echilifu 2022 ritkure goro nigo haigeta sechinsemo cha Dagoreti abwo asegureta magachi birasi ese skuru yoboroso ya Kawangware echiro nenyagitari ya Dagoreti. Ruto nigo haliete chire chinyinge asoko imukia igoro obokorari bw'enyagitari eyo.
Aya wanadago. Dago! Muko poa! Mumemwona Mheshimiwa Rais? Tunatembea safari na yeye. Haya nipatie tutam ya Mheshimiwa Rais, tutam. Hapo ndio tuko Mheshimiwa Rais, mahali baba alituacha hapo ndani ya Broadbase. Hawa vijana ni wako na wimbo wako Filipo, nitapelekea Mheshimiwa Rais hiyo wimbo ya tutam. Relax.
Wakati wa 2022 tulikuwa na matatizo mengi kwa mambo ya elimu. Hatukukuwa na madarasa ya kutosha, hatukukuwa na walimu ya kutosha. CBC ilikuwa na matatizo. Mambo ya funding ya university ilikuwa na matatizo. Haya matatizo yote CBC tumenyorosha. Walimu tumewaajiri 1,100, madarasa tumejenga 23,000 na funding model ya university tumetengeneza mpya. Kawangware hoye! Kawangware hoye! Mimi niliwaambia hii Nairobi tutaipangia vizuri. Sasa tumekubaliana na county government ya kwamba ili kubadilisha Nairobi tuondoe barabara ya matope. Pia tumekubaliana, tumeandikiana mkataba na tumekubaliana tunajenga barabara kilomita 200 mpya hapa Nairobi. Na hiyo kazi inaanza immediately. Ili tuhakikisha kwamba Nairobi is a city that we can all be proud of. Tumekubaliana sehemu nyingi ya Nairobi bado iko giza. Tumeweka mpango ya mataa 50,000 mpya tuweke lighting hapa Nairobi City. Tumekubaliana mambo ya takataka, tukusanye takataka yote. Estates zetu zimejaa takataka, na ndio tumekubaliana na governor, not in the interest of the governor, not in the interest of the president, not in the interest of the national government or county government, in the interest of the people of the great city of Nairobi. Tuko na vijana wanatusaidia kujenga masoko. Tuko na vijana wanatusaidia kujenga hostels. Hapa Nairobi peke yake tuko na vijana 85,000 ambao hawakuwa wanafanya kazi 2 years ago. Today they are working. Na mimi nataka niwaeleze vijana wa Nairobi, mambo ni kujituma my friends. Vijana wa Nairobi mnisikie, mambo ni kujituma bwana. Hakuna kazi itakuja kukutafuta nyumbani wewe my friend. Mambo ni kufanya nini? Mambo ni 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 kujituma. Unanielewa? Sikia bwana. Pale Climate Works iko nafasi ya ajira. Pale kwa affordable housing iko nafasi ya ajira. Pale kwa ujenzi wa soko iko nafasi ya ajira. Pale kwa digital hub iko nafasi ya ajira. Pale kwa export of labor iko nafasi ya ajira. Pale kwa Nyota iko nafasi ya biashara. Wewe, hao watu wanashindana na mtu. Kenya sio maneno ya watu. And I am telling them, simple minds like you guys discuss individuals like William Ruto. Serious minds like us discuss ideas and agendas and a program to to transform the nation. That is the difference. Kuna tofauti mkubwa sana kati ya wale jamaa na sisi. Wale jamaa mpango hawana, maono hawana, sera hawana, mpango hawana, agenda hata akili. Nairobi hoye! Nairobi hoye! Na ndio mimi nawaambia tutaendelea na kazi. Hatuna nafasi ya vitimbi, hatuna nafasi ya ukabila, hatuna nafasi ya chuki, hatuna nafasi ya migawanyiko. Sisi ni ndugu moja wa taifa moja, na ile ya muhimu ni vile tutaungana tuwe pamoja. Watu wa Nairobi mnasema tuungane ama tutengane? Mnasema tuungane? Wapi Mbwekse? Wapi Mbwekse? Wapi Mbwekse? Wapi Mbwekse? Wapi Mbwekse? Kwa hivyo Nairobi mnasemaje? Ati Nairobi mnasemaje? Ati Nairobi mnasemaje? Hii hospitali mnaona hapa, si ndio? Tumekuwa na hospitali ndogo pale. Wakati nilikuja hapa mwaka uliopita, niliwaambia tutakuja kutengeneza hii hospitali tukamilishe ikuwe tayari. Sasa nimekuja hapa kuiangalia. Na mimi nataka mnisikie watu wa Nairobi. Hii hospitali yenu mwezi wa 4, yani next month, mwisho ya next month, mimi nakuja kufungua hii hospitali ikiwa imekuwa tayari. Hapa tumewapatia pesa ya serikali. Na sio kufungua tu hospitali. Serikali tutaweka equipment ama ile vifaa ya MRI, ya ICT, tutakuwa na ICU. Hapa tutakuwa na ICU. Hiyo ndio nilikuwa nataka niwaeleze. Kwa sababu watu wengi hapa Dagoretti wanaenda aidha Kikuyu ama wanaenda kutafuta Kenyatta, na nyinyi mnajua Kenyatta iko na msongamano mkubwa sana pamoja na kule Mbagathi. Tunaelewana watu wa Dagoretti? Mwezi wa 4 mwisho mimi nakuja kufungua hii hospitali. Tumewapatia vile vile equipment ya shilingi milioni 470 katika hii hospitali yenu. Ndio tuhakikishe ya kwamba matibabu inapatikana mahali karibu na wananchi. Tunaelewana Dagoretti? Tunaelewana? Mbali na hii hospitali, nimekubaliana na madaktari hapa, nimekubaliana na gavana wetu wa Nairobi ya kwamba mambo ya matibabu. Mimi nawauliza, mimi nimesema natengeneza serikali ya kuunganisha Wakenya wote, na ndio tulikubaliana sisi watu wa UDA na ndugu zetu wa ODM, tukasema tunatengeneza serikali ya broad base. Ninyi watu wa Kawangware mnasema tuungane ama tutengane?
Miamaro asoko choren soko TV borosu mugusina boge kubwati murubirega gwetorobini asema mbia bona senseme ntangani asebono niko tukurekera gabwo erio turarasio mirichiduka na nyuma yogo sio mirichiduka lingina nena yanda mange na monekera tachigoswa asenkwani yaito emambia jabono tuskare ne TV yao.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi Kurumucho Manu Nairobi Kisii Nyamira Nechingongo chinde chense ya Kenya Abariki baitomba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira yobuikirano Emanya mange Naboigo bwatra Nensoko TV Koigeka chingenjo chiomugusi Ensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi. Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ughaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities, and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently, we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721151500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Obutini bobosombasi amate ninki kere tokore
asamari etangoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togokonya abantu bari amaruna amariogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togokonya abantu buna umwanafunzi orenge kwende university ongere gutumia maruna mariogo yogotindi amosariri wono yaikireke wango guikaru aligo kwanya oroyo onde orenge kwende kanisa utigire onge yakonywa mariogo yogotindi na amaru abasari erio twabaretaga Betami twabarwali erinde ubugima bwabo bwirane gochaso ubugima bubi
asamange twakirisimya se namba 0706840844 Betami Rehabilitation Center lichi buriyo gukora kingatare icyo butindu. Mrena nabali bechinguru erikwe manyabo na wataka kurutane nyechinse Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Linet Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, Eke Nakige Kos, Kiamesa Yamangana Maya. Ubugima norugendo rubwa tamange, amaya namabe. Umusakito Linet Nyambane niga ngaririe imena isiko ya gusi na gusanga naba yaeteire nabako yaetera.
Nchekera na ibole twe undango tebiwa ndabona ibole tukinde buya ngakina kinde buya ekera na chiko ikemya tasta nachaka ngondifero po ngoira samagoro wani kamenya gutokanga na twali roba wana wacha gitego
aya nime yo muroberyo bumwenori kiraritukure Jumatano chinsabiri chabutuko imeya Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi
omwancho muri rwa Nsoko TV ngitaseni giye Nsoko TV nibwatira senge nchao
kokoretera amangana amaya
ayatabwati gwanchero ko rwonsi korime yagusina isiko yagusi
to kubekera tene ni anyare ko baka wateka
atabwati gwanchire bonda bwansi
korwa se bunge ya kitutu chache South Meye County ya Kisii elietari anen Caroline Mausa korwa county ya Nyamira elietari Nyariki Steven Embonde
korwa se county ya Kisii elietari ane Wycliffe Orenge
mera na inche Dominic Onderi Nyabuto ekeranya gukoreta amangana amaya ko ritukira Jumatatu paka ritukira Jumapili
jeni gongoro ko Petuel machin na nyora netrobin ya Nsoko TV oboroso bomogusi
Yeye Nensoko TV, uboroso bw'umugusi.
Dakika na ya muyoka ya tikirichira chinsa isaro cha boro mambia Nsoko TV boroso mugusi karibu na inde asensemo eyega ya kabire mambia ya boro ase tukuchucha kumurikana na gukwanira amangana ao ayo arengete keria tukuruka na broad based 10 point agenda guse amangana ikomi aria kwanire ase ensemo eyo asubwagare mambia ya boro ya bwati gwetera senchiro mutandao wekerero Facebook rwega asensemo eria YouTube Nsoko TV na boigo ase ujumbe nyenge namba nigere notisano na ibere sano na isatu na mamara gatano mwero beka isato kitukonya gusanga emambia ya bono ekerokeria omogeni naganyete nigo baganire ko babere korende oyomo nigo tinyarikanitie aike ime ye studio korende ngakiende ekerokeria turanyore chingaki ntumwarigani erio tugendera gusanga ayanda mambe korende kurwa sensemo olio ikireme ye studio emambia bono nigo togusukanere tugendera gukwanira nabo koligeria kerenga gitu ekerene ase emambia ya bono karibu sana ekerokeria ugukwani mwanchumo ligeria emambia bono seri tukerigaria kare asumutinyo katatu
mbia mono umuraria ngoba kwani mwensi mwana getinge mbia more asimwabeta mwensi samaria tangoro kwa Wycliffe Sibuoga wande bakondoka Lopen goru Nyamira County ensemo ya Bukira Ward aspiring to be next MC Bukira Ward ngoba aria ni mwensi tochiko chango chambua mangana ya 10 point agenda broad based game na ya tosugumire tore usineke mane ba chiete go batana mako osino bokora waringi
biyake gima mwanchu murigereka to chake mambia baro asubwango mono nyotsara cha kuligeria igoro yamangana ali komya kwanire ase oroboti urusa 70 biria ikomi bikwanire aiga Tiatu cha kura sensemeo entangani kurumagega gatali ngaki entangani serikali gusibya mabigo chamo na kubwaterana tukurana bakaso mwaka gwe chilfu ibere na isano na ibere ngakeria egatienya gusira Mwai Kibaki omurai gatatu wensi ya Kenya na boigo toche asensemo ya gusira Raila Odinga mbachi tamba bakarosia serikali nengakeria na abantu bange banyorete ebirogo byo waziri goche gocha Raila Odinga gachaka bomo prime minister wensi ya Kenya tugacha omwaka 2017 gutira engakene tuwese handshake na bono iga igo taliero engakientangani twarorira baraiba kubwaterana no nyine byama go chamo eryo kubwaterana korosia serikali nengakia bono ngo tubwate bono tubwate handshake gosenus mukate ngakie tubwate broad based turararigeria ase obwango mono kurwa broad based yega yacha gitwe gwikira rero iga nkikeria gose bunense yanyorere gose manufacture aya arorekane
nsomete personal legitimate support ya broad based second so I feel like Gen Zs were being used but to make it boy usikori riri hapa muratu wa so vijana toa so kile tuacha street ko tetea toa tena finance bill toa tena finance bill area toka eka rusiwo next whatever abresha full a cabinet and ba fire ada ko reshuffle ba ngata fire ba bute a cabinet area arenge that day lakini unataka akareshuffle Wanaria ndo liyo mugakora ira umureta on board wa kwana ni alia baro serikali ya broad based bakabeka chi agenda getegari lakini kulingana neji demands chichechi genzi chia gwate nechirio omwaka babegeta SMS igoro cherenge ibere tofauti ono skorieli echi genzi yango demand kende ngiyege kirani gumba kabono iga bado skorieli onye na basaye bado ngo itubarekera lituko onye ne uchumi bado nenkongo ndo iba ngorera once pia genzi tindaro kende gekeneti tutabono to genzi ya rasti egetie kerabu ase ODM wone gacha serikali igacha konyore birogo one batumeta manyinga genzi konyore birogo eyere maminja no kwani kwa genzi na batagete onye ndiriba ikerani ibintu bya genzi yango demand osikorieli after finance bill ya December omu bunge bwa bange ari bunge na tebetena bachite bagaitie ndukeri pembeni secretary mbutu ya kamera no mantu momento sengia edete akumbe bachite bakayete boke bachite bayasoera meaning ebachite ebintu evidenzi ya demand must be ebafunigete sendo density ya bwate wango tatu leaderless ndo bwate muntu chikotorerera tumayo sekeningi ajite kaba implemented usenkei kulingana mimi bado ujenzi tenyo tiaki ya kurwalia
Okay, hasubwa ngomano bono abuna sensemo eriyo kubiko borosa ke go boncha kurigeria egati bintu biria bikwanire ase 10 point agenda yiga egatia ase seyeri abigito egatia Raila Odinga na umuraibwense bono iga Dr. William Samuel Ruto ekero kurigeria ase gentu kire namba ayemo of course ebintu bikwanire ni gobire bintu samangana 10 kwanira kire kare tukuriye number 1 ni igoro ya full implementation of NADCO report report rulia rwa NADCO rugani rwikeranirwa RNCP na ekero tukuriye ase report rwa NADCO egatie bintu biria ase report rwa NADCO na ekero kubirigeria negative bintu biria some of them na ndibire ase 10 point agenda eyiga tuchakire kura sensemo erio report rwa NADCO asubwango negative bintu biria byari gukwaniroro na mangana a cost of living tobwata mangana a electoral justice ketu kwanira kyombikiriya IBC na kikiganira gukora emirimo gukora auditing yobochori bwa 2022 na bwa sobochoria myaka menge sana akara bochori bwere twabire togotebigwara auditing
yakorekana bairorere
irorerwe alafu ntubwate ase ensemo yende obisi nera iga report rwa NADCO igukwane na obisi nera ganira ko baya official position yani omurayi bwensemere kwa mere serikali ligaga niriko bororo na kurwa sensemo yene tuganira gutwara omo prime cabinet naga niriko neriko nyorera omo prime cabinet secretary kirukerie Musalia Mudavadi arora se bono iga gemeretina gweka tuchikuliria se amangana bwatike na neri chiko Musalia Mudavadi na robisi lakini ichiko kirikora na bono kerie nekiruge kyo ngikwanira sorboti rwa NADCO ntubwata mangana bwatike neri kabeso gusesira yense national debt nero niri kurigererirwa ase obwagare auditing yakorikana guchigucha gwikira boni iga onyoroko kujime wanjiki na tebete na tu akorete wakara kare sana esire yiga ebyo spipika niri kurigerwa mangana devolution to that gender role no ara so report rwa NADCO na mangana youth unemployment abuna ase report rwa NADCO buna ekirenga number 1 kigana niri kurigererirwa ase broad based 10 point agenda
na wate NADCO mete report ya NADCO skoriya anda ke wote interviews bibia 10 point agenda mondo chakere ko rugari implementation ye cost of living gose na ki woge mose ngo skabwa ngenzi oskoriya anda ke ndo mo omorege sara bona wesko wori umuntu nisko gabuno uronde bwense wori na kiro cyo boge mobo serikali ya RTT ne serikali tubate geti ugonyo mtao tene serikali bono gabata tokona pesa mfukoni lakini bono gatuna kitu mfukoni kumaanisha naki obo gimobo onege nto kasonga chete ko implement mono niko umenta tax kwanya ara ngwakanore nyumba VAT kamenta kono nawo chejuja wote wana below 30,000 ngo sibari ngo lift bare VAT lakini tindama ya bona mishahara yaso kile tindama ya se wa rusiri lakini rende eni bango ege ya mienta mono kwa bogi maboka konga ke bango ya mentire bogi maboka konga ntu waka urose nemia kiana usemia 120 usikana kia 150 bogi maboka konga ona abwa se cost of living tindo chikende oche opposition office na prime cabinet office
asensemo yo konga kubo kima guse akara tukuria mangana ya uchumi abange bakora teba na igenti guchikia control uchumi ensitu ya Kenya mono no kuliria mangana ya mafuta na ekero kuliria chitariki 14 chumutinyi uyuga eto mutinyi okaberekera tukulira makulia ya mafuta niko konyora mafuta na chitaga care abwa soko nyora nabona sumucho yo Nairobi a story asensemo ye liter ya mafuta kerokolieria sensemo area ye petrol diesel gocha niko konyorana ligulierio konyana se semo ye petrol nigo ya ste diesel nige ere insake ni 166 alafu tubwate asensemo ye petrol nero gocha kerokeria nkoligereria iga ase obwango mono tubwate asensemo ye petrol ere 178 nechi somoni emerongo na isano na isatu tubwata se diesel 166 nechi somoni emerongo 5 na inye asa alia mafuta yetaya ni gari 152 nechi somoni isano na nechi somoni emerongo 5 nibira na isano
mantege egento nda kwanire gabu okomende egento shilingi 15 wacha wapunguza shilingi ibere oni umetege ndenge wapunguza Ogo ya mafuta ikira mendete arengo se 127 achakatira kana 140 something
akatacha 200
akana mpaka 200 unaoche kuru difference ya kuru 127 mpaka 200 umakorera mpaka 170 ondoro chiwono bado ekapu inero ne tambi wono bado ubo bado mbore tight wapunguza lakini ukomente double uko reduce by half meaning bado buko ino wote ya kubali na bolegea bola kolegea a 10% na libo kolegea lakini 90% bado obero bakomu wano abo bukora borega abu tawe tambe to asomire chiri waya gari Kiswahili chao mustaikimea ogonyora babona batebina menta amafuta muino gaiga otirimbo kimino gaiga sinini that's the thing wano kasonga akora wana ku lift mono ocha mambi ko amatukari ando mwarere mono business ringi bere wono madembara batana kinare ni sama mafuta lakini kaya mente ko baga gari kama chukure reduce amento sikori ligo okonyora bogima bado mbori raisi
tokera baka asense muyo koligere yoro ya mangana electoral justice ugesekera to kwadera asobo chori bado asoroboti urwo rwanadi konki yakorekani
kwarora 2 weeks ago opposition team by Gachagua Kalonzo Mbastom IBC offices wakateba bado bao feel kinengeo kia very implemented koru ba vegete suggestion nini ba vegete petition na IBC rigere yuya lakini ba ndora ba cho confirm na kende kiri ba vegete ba tagete kore kaniti wana bagate bakaba ultimatum as of some days ba implement ko seba ba koro gonjoriria wana meaning as point agenda bado utoje wono ngera kore kana baka opposition ya chire bono kora na babo Matiang'i na babo Kalonzo ba chire ko chiko korigigaria ochobisi chamba chitembaga chobisi gaiga konyora igo babo feel bado te babo feel yani bado bagera korekana wonjore lingo yo korekanire kulingana na report iba begete bali pasani tigari cases bado gerenge yo korekana
na se ko era se ensemo erio korosi obisi ya opposition leader
wano skori
gono mo prime cabinet secretary
wano mate prime cabinet ndate bena kulwa before agenda taracha prime cabinet secretary no arenge
era Nairobi
skori
na no mushara ngolia
ya kuruno ntoacha na 10 point agenda na arengo wana era ntingo kwana masenje na arengo wana obisi ne ku physical ne tabekwa ngonya ro mushara iko na Nairobi asenda kwa neno opposition osikori ali umone bwense karauti na kira ituke gari gora te bana taro chiko sina bwate opposition mini kara umata wacha na timba te opposition igora no bisino bae to kunya ko igo go sabe kwana timba ti muntu wona kiko chiko umuntu tayo no mo bisi igo bisi itei
lakini nere bya tutware obisi eyo na inde konyo obisi ikego chikoba aroro ningoyo guche kunyegwa senge chekero koliria bari bakwamire serikali na bangi ubona nturu chutwara kira yo maliende abena nere umwamiriri wa serikali ningo guchiko enyora asenge nchabara ya bonsi pibara seseme kwa mire serikali kero kubaligiri kira mona bwate kiama ige minetina kera mo wikachi ateme kwirwanira igono nyobo mo burende buchiko kwenekiwo konyo biseke guchiko bikwa rura senge nchu wikabachi komanyana ningokoba aroro
initially era na zapne akabira opposition kwa kare dari Kibaki agwete na Batunda iroweza ka opposition the same happened to Kenyatta the same happened to Nero Gavera opposition lakini wana lesenge wana mwaka hiyo wana Kalonzo ngera nimetia ya mono na ngonero kwenye Quran opposition I can agree with that na what one capacity theory yako opposition leader as per now lakini wana na bawira bangi na baba bangi na wako igwa na boka lakini bagora beko bisira toka umata bisine ku keep a government in check wono siko na wona yebe sanere robot irwaso kana ebe sanere ebore tangi 1.2 trillion wono muntu yeko yekwanera sente wono tuwa muntu keep government in check ndiro akarero mugakaraira onye kende kyane yakore kanire agatende otebana kintu gete gyachire bube usebe sagete yasirire naki wono siko wona wono jebena bese robot irwaso kebese eborete bakabona muntu yokwanire Bono to wati opposition eko keep government in check.
Menyare kare kire kero murai wense kera gukwana ukuyigwa gatebana wikira boniga timbu ati monto kurwa sensemeria serikali ndo wechena turachi kuminyukana nere nyona asobo chori obonene bo mwaka wechilfu ibere 25 lebere senje korengana nere agote arwechena aundita hiyo kurwa sensemo eyende muino gaiga
ena kingo na gote ina abwa to boche bo position no tena ki aba tigarete after mwaka achire mbabu atinguru chuko rwani lakini sikori yenye opposition ye bangete siasoma ete wote sometimes numbers na regional balance so your opposition ye what almost ne kurete chinsemo chinyinge chia NCA ito ndo watu mlima ndo wate Kalonzo kwa western ndo wate ba unatembea kwa muino eastern ndo wate Kalonzo western ndo wate anatembea Businto wate South Nyanza ndo wate Matiang'i usiko ye bakuneta anda bangi alafu refu sendele maji abo sifune wone wate yuta bangi Bono go urisiko ya most opposition ya risiko beka namo biye robere bia na beko murusio. So yo bono Ruto tere ne region akorela mono. Akorela mono Rift Valley na omogere mate ojanza mate. Bono abuno e base ya ere mono. Sekenje bono abande bono bachakire ku consolidate. Wakina tabana arochi na tabu ati monto lakini opposition ya nyingwe bangere.
Kero togoswa ase ensemo ase egento kende gyakabere kwadero ase 10 point agenda ni igoro ya mangana inclusivity in governance ito ase kiketambi sana iminsi itu ya Kenya no nyina kerekeria ama baka kwenanwa yemerimo ebe no bwalimu ebe no busikali andonsi kwara beri gukuigwana abantu okonyora enseme yemo nigo eiremirimo gusigisa kwekemo nigo kiengerete kero koligiria mabagari gusomo barwa abantu bari bairemirimo konyorana egesa kwekemo go sensemo yemo nere bwata abantu abanga sensemo gete eyue gochirera abantu bange gusebisa kubinde byatugu isiko nekeko gara kero kuligira 10 point agenda bakwandete kintu giko kuna inclusivity in governance asoborai na kereke mukiganiri gokorekana ase okora na kurwa bokora ligochia sense na chirigion chons nchiganiri koba aroro
ugisokorere ya amangana ye chigas kwanza chigas baka bono higa ono waimu echikora no totebe chirumu abote mojumbe musko jumbe anaki ni nsomete ngol sinjo go support mojumbe toba no mojumbe go support inde kote matena kore university ni mbate TS tokondiri rube kwa una mambi kwa rube tukutuma ntorana bo TS rube
yeba
o kwa rube bedroom yani no tibete toba no ene boardroom kwa rube boro always carry the same abara ya abange basariri o protocol yegasi kuna abana bakwanda bastomba ba marube gete wa mama mutauta na maruya baskali mutauta na maruba ya bali o support asirichai
umurayo yo mona ara sorongo gusi okubuniwa asoko na marube asa matanga ara asimisangire kano geteiga na mono ase tukwanira mangana yobwalimu tungana tune kwon to tuno gauta na marube uno muntu yani on dauta ne marube yegasi muntu tane bese mufuko como go kia de un support ya rules mufuko kwa hiru bono ndo chiona ako kill transparency ase a body yo sine TS bono wanta kona kini muntu kwa access ya marube ocho na baka sama tanga jana kore school na plan kango cha kuliko for example na veres como tena koro bai veres como simia ko sine tano tingo nyora gasi o akore te school ose last year onyore gasi ndo chiona ko tere mistrust ase a body area TS ono na was carry the same ngoriria baskara ochkorika useje shi ochkorika okwe una njeni mnoka igeti iwe ni mbwate mnoka ti mnoka riwe ngoi wanu morai ondo one that transparency bado inclusivity detail aya usikoriga li eba sereti gasha babate banu mkabila aote abantu bo mulima ori li sha eliste ria sha ya sogete officials 90% naba chindu chetu chi Somali na china nya Ethiopia ali chonspindwali konsiga rio Mohamed nini abantu out of that list 90% na barenge gutanga list ya sote kama muntu yange public domain kama muntu akaro igamangana inclusivity
yabo bado taiyo usikwe chi body chine ne chi parastatal okonyara keep pronororo senani ororo abasikisi na waichire bona bado tindo chiyo se balancing nero abanyo ne board for example ne to studio ne for example ne yo moikoyo kwa ngurumba kanse abaikoyo bayikire ikomi osino muntu babere bato bali osina basigisi lakini moto chibono bado balancing teyo ona kinata bado mpaka bono iga chi board chi nyingi antika chi nyingi inclusivity teyo origino ne tunatoka tagenda tamitoka no parliament
yeba
usikuri no chi board chirichire gari as much as kwa nabo bengo ya serikali oni kwa nge chairman usine lands kwa rusi kwa muntu ngao bekiro to chibona take balance again take na ki na mpinga serikali but oversight umetrend tukekia muhimu ero kanerina straightforward kimo siku hiyo bono kwa raba juzi ya baba swa mlengo linda mwananchi pons pivati nyikuru chi chairman chi ba tukuru chi board chi ya bunge meaning bado inclusivity tejo
yeba igo nki kiganiri gokorekana eri ugosie ko munganyi oyo iga asegencho ega team tubiri go chebirira mangana divisions guso gwatana nikana bunense ne eria abange bakorana ninchenga kekura bono manyeta buno abakera twekera sobo chori obone abuono no muchando go chobo manene okuigwana ntitiko chigosoka uchu wake kura asegencho ninchenga kekure yega tindo china nkiego gonkonya na nyakoro muntu tugakwegumira mu na nyakorora muntu ito akobe kunyona asigete igari ntomorore na kinaro nero gutuwakilisha nero gutarakuru ase ensemeyo igobono ni ngana kere guchaka etachaki etarigere irikuru ase ensemo eliemere korunsa na beko gende mpaka yache kuika ase ballot na abo ase ballot no amaunchiro lyagari kwa kolekana gwetera ase ekura yago
nche gotambe knowledge platform chane chi ya social media gotambe nche ngo encourage abantu tukabara bwata kwanza chikura na bari bayikiriba ruchi school juzi bose mu ndanya kwata kebande babate kebande mass registration ya voting neche
lakini ekyo muntu akubwate kura na wake kura kamanyete na ase gocha komokonya singi chukwa yegura abange bagata na ase kura yegocha kwa
ngisa lakini ngota ya bono burayo bore bono ige mbofinyete kiro muntu matike burayo bwa biro bobe weka utweso kitubo chenchi ndu atemete kwandamana rito gabongo chenchi ngo chenchi bore lakini abantu bande bagaijak bakachikonyora ibirogo bakayachindira cyabo mutugari nakyo tena history repeat itself region sitwarwanete abantu bagaijak bakanyora ibirogo wana gababo no mwaka asirete bono ndebo iburaburu asona no DM ono to DM yabere ibere ne bono bakotetea chinda cyabo mbale ne bakotetea mwananchi Monto chibodo ko repeat ona abata twanyo re birogo akinya abata twa mwananchi ibindo riba kwa ndu ne tonzo kwa kwa bya 10 point agenda be implemented ona endo ya teto tegere almost less than few months to elections
yeah
abantu tukaba chikura to change obra yobo na bono turate na kibura yobono buatu bono tujeto mpaka tunana twanda mana bono iga yabire late endo kira tukone bono iga no wake kura to change obra yobo na twanyore kende kia ndingo ta imonda kumoyo to kumoyo gochi wake kura to kumoyo gochi kwate kura to wate kura to wake kura naende to change obra abono turanyore no boguma gose to bwa change bila hiyo to bidi to kolera to kwate solution Wonde solution yo tigate bono yano gwake kura.
Okay. Kero tokogera ase ensemo area yende ya gatatu na mangana kwaniriri gura mangana devolution na kero tukwana mangana devolution kero kwenda ase katiba yo mwaka w'echilfu ibere na 10 inero ekatiba tubwate ya bono na maneka kuri ya article 17 abuno amangana egukwanigura mangana devolution iguru na kibesa kigani iriko enanu na kobagwa na ase egatiye gentu biri bigukwanirwa kero tukwanira amangana ya devolution usego protector kurenda nabo igutinya amangana devolution into kya gatatu gekwanire ase robot yo 10 point agenda percentage nera igiago tobekana eganir ko up to 35% inara ebese iganir ko bagwa agenda ase chi county nabo igabese yo enchere ko bwatu kuna ko bagwa ngwe gwetenga kiende engane gachana one man one shilling wikira bone igega chege nchergete gakambyo getika gaeta igamtuma itika igastika kagenda guchia lakini umanyete unatukunya gusuka guchia sobo chori ngocha konyorole nainde naki nande agenda iyeranire one man one shilling yabese kana nyone guchia asensemo area county kwara le nyono mu waziri omonene asike cheke nene gakubuni wana seria kubatu guchia county ngakiene ngochere ya delay sana kwa iguchi county korera na bana turaka na bakori mirimo gento getengera kolekana amagendero guche guche ebitamire bya chaka ko baiga eke tukwanira amangana devolution korengana na article 17 ije katiba yaito
kulingana mwako yo era na ro chiwa sanjia kwa tukumapema ake chikaende county basi mbate tengomento chiarenge do certain percentage but nchige tio njia mentura ginchi kamentunke problem that among evolution devolution titige ribono na bade koregasi ne wento koregasi for example Nyamira nkuru ayo acha Nyamira yacha simu gavana hari nyaribo na ngunya ribo wante bono na beka ngone basa chiri nyomba mwaye ne bote koerana ki ni mwada ngoyo sine taya ni mwada ngoyo sine kamera oye banga akoli nte budget yae ni ngonya yabasa yatumiru oche county lakini bado mu waziri atumire no mwana ne bwense ne bado chokorana kibesa ile koenda kwa rabuna mnaona ikora chikaba nchiko mbakange chimilioni 200 chiko demand bachokora chirali na bachoko mobilize ground wanto chona bado kutume kurugoro chance kuwa tume kweba seli bese to gekore gasi ya tumu purposely ekuchoko nyuma na inchi ya watu ku national government ya county government ya county government era ni bese bichi governor chiko cha senate chaje kuba grill digari chaje kwa maswali na ngona nibakona evidence iko bona kichi ya santo watu ndo abego 5 billion ngine kiwa korera na kikwa ibnyo
na governor barumba ateba bate bakana na committee area kale ko baunenke na kwa boria maborio igiro botume kibeche besa mbali go chiko gendera go ikira na robono bakana na nturi go chiko ko gendera singincho na nigo bagwikaga ari bakareko ba harassed ngocha bari basaburia aki ebintu binga bunebyo nagirende bono oversight yego chaka
oversight ye county gari senate ego chaka ni governor taigo senate ego chaka ni governor tote for example governor ne achirega ga senate ne batene korto bukurumi gete gari yake ebesa nere borete gisego chari chi senate ebya mutena kini mbate gento gete chi million gete nkega gari mumbo maswali mange mono bone utangana ku approach amangana au corruption
igotari ba senator bagusaba
na babutangana ku approach usiko yabange chigabana chigo tete mapema echira ko konya chikomisa no sitting chiri senye ndona na abo batingo na ngubori wana chiba chiri na ya 25 billion na ne pare mutinda rose ngubori wana kene chiba chiri kwanya mu ndaga chito sine kwa bune gavana nere ya vika bono ya gachite nyombere what 120 million ne constitution yote yaba limit nere nyomba ye gavana bende kwa gachu kimwana
nyomba ya mkichi milioni 10 agachigo mobilize abasai
mobilize abasai they are misusing the resources kana bawo chiri bono wa chiko ba grilled batangana wote nebe ya mapema ocho kunyichise nitanke gari wana tachinde chiko demand yet no bakuru ebese imba chiko ba grilled mono and secondly uskori yemo abadi bacho ba grilled mono unesine tena sentasifuna na babo chiragei lakini mostly uskori yemo ndo asing de yale ko chakra ndisifuna grilled tina ni mono senete gavane ya ole ntutu na group ya akumu grilled mono alimona babo kaiga bacha korera babo were babo kwange schedule chiko ndororo igone defensing mechanism karaba korere obukumi bwa ukorwali county mbanyora muntu chiko ba oversight kwa senta chinge to une senator mie blame my senator omogeni osini oversight no anyaliwo ona bana tena na ugava natagete no ko oversight ni gava yu ya musinyi ona turamo wa ne umonye na chuwe oversight tanyaro
obra iko muamole parabo
undrama ya bantu na wacha lakini tigara kwa kwanza oversight umoto gava na ite ne raire ndo tatumotomeka ne raire lakini bono ngoto chikwa ona ne mugeni go tonyo osini ko oversight ndomwe abantu na wacha kwa so chigavana tigetiriche inibo yarure kegancha kenene kiachirigie county tigabaye to make purposely aso reason ya tirimba
no mwana inchi nera goteba na nera tanya korora makenderero stanya korora kende yose kya okara kana kirikia
county inchiro ndatebe nje chifileti impact ya devolution nje chitara feel kende yose na devolution ngo exist county je na moske buna kangata ngote mali no tara physically ya mranga akona laki ekokora ni county ensenga otoe lakini ose county na chia gusima ategari bado chipara na matobe ibintu mbiri goeteka chichiro bada bangine bagotuerwa chishedis nchio na mabunu yani bago simbono enensengao ne yamburanga nensengao skwe bono alingo tena esto ya twa andake twa gosa una bakichukura ndi to cha chia economist na konye katukale Ogindo chukwa mwana senda watu munu kwa na via lakini tarabu ati skill ya yogo balance umatene abako kwa pesa nyingi lakini utaye balance ti na weko ya misuse
yeah man
lakini umuntu wako nyaka pesa kama shilingi 10 lakini aka balance via tala na ninja ono ende ngoni kare jawa mtuona baki chukura kwa dogo chiko kwa ndobo choko gocha turigeri kind of leadership tutagete ndorigeri umuntu watu wakara munu yumya turigeri obikoro byo umuntu onde bwese chiko ndeshwa asinaranya ko bakurumaiga ai board gete osenyo ko riko no bwalimu osenyo ko asinaranya ko bwaterere gasi
yebo
ko rigeri track record yae asa korte gasi mbuya korete koma tumo chiko ngurayo ndorigeri na otore 200 otosereire tubeke line lakini ndorigeri makoro
ngakie yemo oyo korukuna nere umwegi wichika sari chukwegi ana wiga bangentu mu manyeto kurukweri komondi ase miaka ngebere ya etire na atebete na ekerenge kanene kerigia devolution of county kobararo kirarorekana guse impact itirarorekana bya nabo igo kerikenderete kwenekigwa no bokurumi nabo igo nechibesa kunya gusira kurutike mu gukiasi ibo kenenge kiyenderete korekana era agatebana tigatwira neto tware chi region onyore ntwa bachi province yaringe hisana na
isanza nini
bono ere korekana nera atebada korengana nabwate kwiriri kurukwa agenda no siju agenda 47 use youth 47 korengana nekero kurigiriria egatie bintu bikwaneira ase bintu birie korengana nera kana tibikiranigwe nto twara chi county kuri ne toira ne tutware chi region igemanyekane na konyenyanza kogenda kurwa twatwara omuntu oyo mutumanyete na ki oyonere na indenere elio gokiania ebintu binga bunebe ebiga twara ne baka asensemerie ko
mate komundi kwikira step ya kwanete is out of frustrations origeri nabogotanga tena kiso ko take your time otare okora wana like wana torigeria county yetu ya Nairobi tochake wana county ya Nairobi na wanta wange kona bare mono kwa koregasi embre tuni andate gotukuru mwiso nde gocha na obitu tukore chibutu tare town ama chisiwe no muchimo na bagandi bagotara ga wane na bane chideneji ne chimbe wolo ibono oburayo wanta konye mwana inchi lakini usikorieri mboyo kokona na kiyo karabona ndo akofilna na turene sto ngeri rikale at least town ya renge ngiake machi ndo katare na buti town Kenya batete babe the league of US mwete ona alibu kurumi mboyo bunge ahora tokembo karo tingote basi timete lakini karo kuriria devolution yabo inzira koregasi no environment yo kana tena ki muntu umurayo ga ngora regas mwete environment yo kana bego speak Oine mbrea atua drainage clean. Oine chipara tukina kubeka buti ne chiremire. Oine ebimeri nini ngongo mbiroro. Kiona sikwe ndono ko kanebe se na weke na ki na ko bagara si na gore 500 ukanya koragera. Wana na wana that's the kind of devolution we have. Nebe se kuskuru go chance. Yani echeni gete na echeni gete ebe se kuska obukumi woko rekana. Na kina ibote mangana so gete few days ago wakati bana chikavana nchire chikimu kichibesa chako ko state house chikavana chikimu kichibesa chako kwa muntu kweta wa defend kwa bwana ko bado transparency wewe se gocha ndio na through the other hand utarwete bese yeto go support so kurewe se go support go kontro chibadi wewe se ndo tumeka na ndio wewe se ache account ni 5 billion tiga ebe kuni na samario ebe kuni na separa into bikorega at least no mwananchi ofilna ebe kumbe ngente ngoto kona ora yobo ngumene mboto konya bure kiona konya ko 2010 devolution yabe toto ya tatoko ya 2013 up to date e pare kwa gatiria matobe mpaka bado rero uyetana matobe wangine kwa ngobe kire ora yobo wana out of those frustrations again ndo feel na trend sto ngire wana ninki
bibero mwachumo rigeria soko ndra kubwate nkwani yega emambia ya bono na kire bya seboro kero keria tokura cio mirichiduka ke ona nyuma yayo turane na yandi amange tutigarete mito biko tugocho kwaneregero ya mangana ya basayibu negento namba nya mangana integrity leadership amangana peaceful assembling alafu kokora auditing amangana yokurwani obokurume nabo igo ntubwate nebintu binde igoro ya management of resources responsibly ebinega team tubitra chiko kwadra emambia ya bono koreda sabono tiango turara cio mirichiduka
Eye Nensoko TV Uboroso bw'umugusi. Unakusudia kuandaa sherehe itakayosalia katika mioyo ya watu kama kumbukumbu daima? JN Java tupo kwa ajili yako. Tunabadili kila tukio la furaha, fahari na ubora usiopimika. Tunatoa huduma mbalimbali kama vile viti vya kila aina, mimbari au meza za kuvutia, hema za kisasa, mapambo ya kuvutia, taa za kila aina, upishi wa vyakula vitamu, vioo vya kisasa, zulia za kila aina, mfumo wa matangazo kwa umma yani PS system, miongoni mwa huduma nyingi kwa bei rafiki. Kwa mengi zaidi tutembelee katika ofisi zetu zilizopo katika jiji kuu la Nairobi kwenye eneo la maonyesho yani showground, na ukiwa mjini Kisii ni katika eneo la Mwembe kwenye jengo la J&J lililo karibu na jumba la Isena White House, au unaweza kuwasiliana nasi kupitia nambari 0790820710 au tuandikie barua pepe kupitia anwani sales@j&java.co.ke. J&Java, kila tukio lina hadithi, tuandike pamoja. Nuganete betri uratumia segari yao ebetri ugucacirimo ugakweba ebetri ulegene cinga kichonsi ebenga kieriberera gosenga kiyobokendu tawe candika Autobat Kenya Limited no tuligigiga asingichao nigo tokorosia na koni chibetri uratumia cinga kichonsi chibetri uratumie asegari enke ebasi no nyaneli kurukuru.
Kupitia pale kwa gari yako tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka na battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof, kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss, kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wakuja mstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
Ubugima n'urugendo rubwa tamange amaya n'amabe. Umusakito Linet Nyambane niga ng'aririe imena isiko ya Gusii na gusanga n'abayaeteire n'abakuyaetera.
Nchekera na ibole twe unango tebiwa ndabona ibole tukinde buya ngakina kinde buya ekera na chiro ke miaka sta ngachaka ngondika po ngoira samagoro wani kamenya gutokanga na twali roba ona wacha gitego
aya nime yo muroberyo bumwenori kirali tukule Jumatano chinsabiri chabutuko imeya Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi. Eye ni Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi.
Karibu nene mwanchumo rigere bwa Nsoko TV asensemo eyega ya gatatu imambia bono ekerokeria togendera tukukwanira nigo twatigera sensemo yo gukwanira yabasa ekerokoligereria SMO ya kane ase 10 point ajeriga nigo bakwanira tigoro economic investment ase abasae ne kige kogera okorana murubiri no raigo kurukwana nyota hustler fund no chitogacha ebinto binga bune bigera tukwanira igoro yabasae gwikera bone iga mufilete impact yuna mwasiru buna ebwenerete gose ke ya korengana ne mirubiri ya serikali eliagenderete kuika kwenekina musae ne tarigo tigara magasi ngicho namba inye nabasae bago kwaniro iga asubwagale
abasae bado na feel like to tumeka bobe anto tumekwa bobe Tenzo kanya romo sai na somire wachire wakoro mbake degree so wakoro na masters kama uteguna ntuwate gasi ya mjengo ya affordable housing nchokore mjengo ono ukorete degree wachokora affordable housing wachokora gasi ya mjengo kamuki china ngo chi igoro
ose slogan yeri kiama kia UDA kegote ba slogan ya gotebara kazi ni kazi yani emirimo egente kenene onyore ebitoki
wana okonyora umuntu re mo qualified akore gasi MP asumuntu uri otari qualified yakora oyo tari qualified onyara are gasere easy mutega gasoni teyere easy lakini chire afadhali yake wanjira konyara bona umuntu otari qualified na jakora oyo re qualified was trained bako very qualified toma utumdo chiko mo kichina ni gari mjengo tochiko kisimiti gari why should I go to school mpaka nkore schooling ya mpaka maybe to masters ochonte nyinga ne mo kisimiti aya awata nango ira bara basai ngumbu bachoko bachika chinse cha isko nje kureke nyorokia ne mkuru bata ketinde mpaka bona serikali asote mpaka bono ya musaite yore ekenyoro yeito no ne ward yane uchire ngumbu ngo chokorega sibata na abasai bachire ngumbu 1300 wone 1300 bacho bandelieta ose bacho bairo dimeke bacho barusi dinama ya which criteria they are using tindaro where I come from my friends naona bato somota barabo nango te bona ki bro mimi kuja nikaenda serikali yangu chori niko jama yama niko mahali fulani lakini wana kwa mtu taiyo kugera no neki nyabona ngai so kinirete kinyoreke gima na mwaki ndra umwere gao wana gasto ire tubona gasi yetu no tumekwa tumekia to kolega tu amjengo garia to taranta to gaji gasi amjengo nine chipanto ko gasi amjengo usikore no chifoma ni chiko imported kurusiko abachena bakora ni the Beyonce ane chi affordable housing to bate more qualified engineers who can do the within the country but no na gari also na chire cha mkuru gari abachena wango chiagacha also chire changara abachena wango chiagacha what does that mean what then naki ngoja turega siasa asi vijana wote asi vijana kama kubaretera mjengo kuwa fixed no ne school opportunities basi waire no anisco secondly amangana nyota fund ya chire okora president go step timeteso kwa nyora nje mateyange te I'm not qualified one of the ngoyo kare qualified donye chwana nje numo sana ngona very qualified
nore ase group ya basai kurwa sensemo ye bunge ya West Mugrango West is not Mugrango yani not Mugrango chigrupu chire more chirikia basai gucha ichuburai ichugo ligereje bintu bitatu bigendera takolekana ku not Mugrango ikiraboni musaite iyo otebire na nyorete bese yo singencho ba ste gusia abasai
bari bachete tikia gusi ndo I can tell like 3 of them na wote ribange tiga ne banyorete lakini hawezi kwa na top la ndonyorete mate the president ego cha usine ground kei bari bako selected korokana se camera never se hasoire mate inde bishaze sometimes winto go move very fast very digital squeeze camera ego korega simono ko bua ground wana bari bako selected usimba very kure word bari kama yetanse ali moko ali kona ari moko ndefa yoni ali eta yao yali kiru ege namba esim namba ekebande wa ribaya wana bantokete ngoweka to chipesa ahora moko yamubekire mutwarie ye camera mimote na nyore lakini bien bare watu batati no nefia that's why I say gentu keni very fair keni no korata se camera lo kana ki nyota fans ngotare nchori ase serikali ase budget docket ya nyota fans masona acha ibuka ebese ke yekorwa abasa bakotumira chisimi eta ase budget ye uzina se supplementary nyerochi lakini ono ya atira na abantu ngonya bari chibesa
kolengana no kweresa we serikali guna bakwerera umurubiri oyega gose SMA ye konyenero ororo ase gusira basaye ucha serikali chamagega neri serikali tari wesokia mumanyena nororo umurubiri oyo inse ye wizara iriye koragwa noyo kurukuna nera Wycliffe guparanya ya SMEs and microfinance even Beyonce no bagatabana base iyo abunwa yego toka na ewizare iyo nero ekora merubiri yega yonsi pia basai
gade chidoket je charenge before nyonta fund traika na youth fund ya renge kusaba sa ndo wate kimbiye to for example na ye journalist to snatch camera to apply to iragari to egwe edo to snatch camera hicho youth fund ya rengoro lakini ono serikali te yana ko politicize that fund abantu barawe none ibintu byabangina iyo mbangina no ninga no rango bye kamwega kwanya bya chiri bya apply bya ruchiyema Nango reason a friend of mine Kurumuranga Kiaru constituency. Wakanti ndini nyoro na agena no ni musangero kanonde bwensi. Kuna abantu baye mbachetia ni ndesho na kiti katoka ndo mujumbe ngo chale ato 200. Eba kuna tena ki bako cha riba kwenda for example ria gote function tayo chire kuigoro sine skure kerasi.
Yeba.
Obekire function gari. Eba go cha gari babe bangete. Ina bangina abo cha bamote na kintu bwate chi ndune kyombe kya bangina lakini twagiri ebyombe bangine constituency ye tore byombe ose 120. Tuwabeke kire kemenge wa share 50,000 lakini kwa ngwando to apply gari ya se cooperative chiri tomente runo ne mia toro sene chiombe kusto simeke sene chinyanya ono kwanya abantu bayone bakogendera bwangu lakini kondo kwanya ko randini nyo agotena go politicize na kiti na konye byombe no day is not politicizing ona konya ndo ba rais one day na wote go take time mota na Kiaru vya wate function ororo ena ba wote function baka kore chiwa suspend maybe ni teacher normal teacher ya kawaida maybe hivi rogo nini lakini teacher bantu na bantu wote ati ndo 200 what happens in our area na tumo jumengo tara matanga tetona ngo tasara 200 ngedune kinge bona gnate ba wote na chiwa siri bona ga nyota fandi ya chire na mono ngo chibare go chi bona watakire go chi politicize when they are like they're doing a campaign out of that money bona ga kwa ndaria wate ba tutam manyore chibesa teba tutam mozo jigono lakini initially youth fund ya rengo
yeba
nitukondio kwa nyote uhuru atene gari go se podium go tena igini abate youth fund wono debe ntere no day wono current government is politicizing everything saying enjo ya realizing na people have moved on without the government that's the thing they are doing
na se ensemu yende kara tokwara sobwango bana singye chinsa no korigeria amangana bwate kaine na integrity in leadership enchera uburayi bogo cha bantu ose uburayi boga ni riko korekana na ekero tokorigeria amangana ya integrity korengana nenseme iri gutura ose korengana ne katiba gukwanira amangana integrity ga ase chapter ya gatano na rimo ekero na mangana yobra IQ jumla aigano amangana paka corruption na arano ari megocha na bara IQ jumla wekeraboni genchira babe bakurwa obokoreri bwabo nchira babe bagutumikanya ni chibese chiria ose obisi area sare burabori bura togokwana no roche county ya Nairobi bintu bya chakera gotogote nchira geteiga kwaro chabo MC wekeraboni mubaro wekire emeronke ebere na babere igoba chisigine cheche chakira gosangereri weiga nchira geteiga elinde na ulioro obisi na ende bachiba mu ikimo ina ali ase bunge area county ya Nairobi kurwabo bagenda guchia ase bunge area yes and singicho yokomurusia abisi korengana no gutaisanika kwabona ki murayo tararu bokoreri boria aganeirie kuru aketo kwanira amangana ya integrity in leadership asobwengi
lakini hata yuskeri obukurumi bo chakere kurwe national government bwatiri mukane chain vacancy ngene to asomne science gari primary food chain gete ose biology kwa na wona besa yarude 5 billion yarude national government yachire county ekari county aba MCA ba rasie governor nito to besa gete na besa gete nito to yero sen Dubai nito to kora nito gete nguko impeach tore ba threat ose ne governor yabili governor ibwa to kugento kochese CMCA chimba chiko muaras ena kwa ra sakada nere gaiga wana bachake kumuminokia aimo kichi role chicha en kama aka hand over which as a national government lakini au claim na tai no kubwatira but deep down I hand over chi role chicha ona arega une statue ona bamurusha matema nanga statue one that's the problem of obokumbado oboichire ase chiobi cheto chia chia public offices akonyora nanangote ina for example mujumbo one lije ikire abantu bamate ose nyagusira narenge muino ga yango ni warera yano mujumbe ngo chari ikinyore kigire mugego to kera matanga nesikia chikorelia nyagusira wali chikorelia familia ebacha ko gari senjo mujumbe after matanga ngo bari 200 ngo baseraye wono bado bese ita tayya yarusi mufuko maete ile seria CDF abaga ocha gosera kwanda kala ko na aine uracho bisi angibesa to igachie chie omugambi chabaskari ni konya nakobeka antu kusine tike imo basera chimi ibere bono chibiasechi konya kusine nyomba erera free no agache mu maono beka na ekonda more expensive era kwa 3.5 million lakini wakonyora ase budget ya CDF arigete enyombe ya cost mpaka kufanisha ya cost 15 million warige nyumba 15 million ne bungalow kwa atusone ora gatino ne story building hari ono chi nini hari ebe sine wana kwa bako ke budget wa exaggerate budget bacha kusaya abantu chinde bachi kuira bachi kubeka mifuko yako bachi kuinvest ibintu byao bado integrity ase leadership yetu yabono iga nako muntu bwati.
Okay. Asobwa ngomano ase kerituko chokwanera na wera nyake tora korera ro ase ya rero ekera tukwena mpaka article 37 ase katiba yo mwaka wechilfu ibere na 10 ngokwanira rigoro ya mangana yo wa symbol mangana yo korobekana gocha na ekera tukwena na ase emyaka ya magega ase twarude korwa Raila Odinga nyagusira nigo nero rukora ekera tukwanira maandamano gocha na nabo igo twarabe tukurigereria na kororana gatie bintu biri byare goche byakorikana so mwaka 2024 gotira 2025 enga kia basae kero abasae mwari gwasoki ase Chiparality Street n'imichi ao sengi nchiko kora ukorobekana eri okuborie serikali kera ni bintu biri bitatu twabire twakorora aria gocha korekana na korengana na abangi bari bagwesokie iri bakorokorobekana batabana kuno korobekana kwa marembe lakini gokirete iga komanya konyorana agatia gasikarutirwe chiama chigari chireke chikabwata mache igobono yachaga kobana ne ngusanano ensemeye mo kurua sensemeye kurobekana na kurua sensemeria ya serikali eketo kwarira article 37 igoro ya mangana yo assemble go chama na gokora ukurobekana asinchira yo marembe buno mo Kenya nogana iri gutwara a right yo gokora igo korende gokora woneri chiko
constitution engo to ngwere anybody a mandate ose anybody a mandate yo gokora demonstration peaceful ne ruete hino skorieri essence country ito bona iga kurimu gakacha kita maandamano yesuli bakarichitia gasi maka live bullet cha rutu acha ekarura somo gaka kaka Gen-Z bakarichitia chindi chiko kwera mbaka vita bye mbunge mai abarenge peaceful umuntu abwate simyare live umuntu abwate ne bendera tamu wetino ene riga na tabwati
yeba
ani it happened na inga demonstration almost chance wanga atwate bendera yoka nesi umuntu are live ani abantu acha ile peaceful correct message you kwanyora message yaba translated into another thing ona serikali mten iganya yangu sio bwana the those of parliament police were given orders shoot to kill ogo shoot yo muntu uchokocha sore njengo ngateri bakora training ngote bare mbako itamuntu mutatara wa attack Boro ya mondaga cha sore o confront ne bendera ne si. There is a way muskari abantu ko ba handle. Ani abantu ko handle that such a person. Ju na mo kwanera akuiwe. Ju tabu atsila. One of from that bacha bakata se 10 point agenda ke stokori ere bata bana musarete yo ndo chikuitwa. Little Kitengela linda mwananchi.
Yeba.
Jamani ya tulisasi from nowhere. Kitengela it was very peaceful. Janona arenge bado. It was very peaceful. Babo sifuna bakakwana ari babo sosi. The other leaders bakakwana kayekere kibona babo chokore sifuna atakiro kwana korelie kitega shikarutu katikati yo musangerekana. Bako kubibono musangerekana nto bayogeta mato bayigotenkiye bakakwanero. Onteyo chire kuna duka ya muntu. Abantu bari para gatigati bakwibunki abaraya bawo tokwanera. Itega siyarutu. Bozo jibona uko provoke abantu. Abantu bana bacha kubaruwa kuronya baskai mante bande baringa bangi na oto ate bangeresho ya 1 to 10
yeba
wono abantu 10 abako muskana tukana bate bullets wono mo provoke abantu bako ba attack back wono attack back at live bullet that's very wrong abaskai tiba bado nje youth bado gabtranya just yani no ta youth yoka as in terms of demonstration according to Article 37 bado bantu bati free picketing they bado the state still is intimidating abantu bari no peaceful no naturally
nkwarenga sense mu ya Kakamega silinda mwananchi se county ya Kakamega nare tiagasi ya ruto kwa iguo mo senator Sifuna gatebane gintiki kora injira gite nkware ngoro na ronki kiari ngaro buna kwerere iguru ya Kitengela
Kakamega yarenge abarai baso yegeti abantu bachakire gukwana na atebare bose bakwanyira risifura bachokwana ari bako nyagenda kiaruti rugari ene kama na Sifuna ile tani yake iriwe microphone atokwana atarakwana n'abantu etiasi ya rutu batika tigari umuntu ko umuskairo kuruta ile civilian asini ni antu bamukore bwana watana stage manager aina umuntu o stage manager amangane etiagas illegal njikuno mwananchi ko hold such weapons mboko chene mombo ate you got all over the cameras they ndosikia bisire ba umuntu geto yo lope ne rotate etiagas ba chamba kasi ende bang muki kwa rote they had planted a lot of guns gari ndubanga to sororo ndio to asate ne embogi ale Kisumu twajite ko Runyanza to gutira ko ro wantu ke to cho sororo to abotengo nyoto ba Sifuna to tina barau to ba chinjiri means
na inwe mwago ritwe bagateba na kimware gwikora singincho na kyokuru Nairobi kwamenye kugenda umusangirikano kare Kakamega igo niko mwabo ritwe ne chikari guchia aroro
mwate patriotism na bokwe gora yagweka Temondo lazima utumire pesa.
Iko talie mwagore.
It's out of patriotism.
Okay.
We are supporting our own. Wana arenge ngusi tu arenge. Tukarugusi yetu abega ya mafuta out of our own money. Tuchange tino rino turugega ali tuchange tiga tukabeka ya mafuta. Munda karuchiri bubere iga tukabeka gari ya mafuta. Tutatume hili kama mtaru sio ya mafuko. Tukaenda Kakamega. Tukeka Kakamega ali umusangirikano chakire lakini abaluya bari bande mbabwate some respect mbabekete security yabo yoka minus police mbando mbere bate tokote burabu bari bakara kuno kunwake bari babwate birenge nyao so abaskari ya state tige respect imonta akore peaceful thing
ayo negati ari mwancho moligereria twasangire asemambia bana keke twikire omwere asenkwane yaito ebintu nebinga butwatige ebintange bine tutarakwanira so bwagare lakini ngakiene nande turatore chinkete wendera kuyakwanira ase obwagare nse sekunde angemeronge berega ekero tugukorera iguru yo roboti oruiga orugumanki keria uragani gukwanira emambia yabono
nche tegangwane generally asumosa countrywide tigabona iga mbare baruchi school juzi babwate bibande bari babwate bibande tikababwate chikura mass registration ya ABC yatanga sungu chake babwate chikura so bonge tunatanya go change ora ibobore geti ekura yao na roma te sauti yao so tikatubwate chikura to change ora ibobore geti finally abantu babokera that's where I come from not Mugirango na ndio to change bado ora ibabokera ndoko bo change asogonya okwana ndoko bo change ase ballot tikato to participate in voting.
All right.
Tuwachikura and to participate in voting na tuwachinja obarai.
Yamano mwancho morigere ya soko bwati korwa chinsa inyechi abono mamwe kara chinsa ichiga kireti sano ne muchi abono babasime soko tiyo borusubo mu gusina wikirabo no tuwikira omweryo ase yale tumbirane ankyo omonene karatu chirikolende ase sa eyamo yabutune chinsa isato ase amanya nakuganira mu basumbi yereteriane Ishmael Mogere.
Eye nensoko